wow, nice shirt.
Thank you for the compliment.
This tie is complimenting your white shirt.
Oh, really? Thank you.
Did you say something nice to someone? That was a compliment or compliment? Compliment, a compliment. Confusing, no? Yes, the two words compliment and compliment, they are pronounced exactly the same. The only difference in the spelling is I and E. Hello everyone, welcome back again. Welcome back to Beena's Notebook. I am here again to take you to the world of confusion. Are you ready, guys? Don't worry, I will not leave you confused. I am going to provide you the solutions even. Friends, we all know that English is a crazy language. Lots of different words share the same spellings and pronunciations. Some of these words are confusing, and for learners of English, these similar words can be incredibly confusing. So to help you out, I have created this video Confusing Words Part 3, and you will find some pairs of similar sounds English words that confuse people all the time. So in this journey, I will guide you to these many words. Fortunately, knowing the difference makes it easier to avoid making mistakes, especially when you are speaking English, because most people won't notice if you mix up all these similar sounding words. But when you are writing, you should look out for these words and be careful that you are using the correct one. Always remember to double check your spellings and think about the situations you are in. The first homophone with the slight difference in spelling is compliment, C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T, and C-O-M-P-L-E-M-E-N-T. A word that is pronounced the same as another word but that has a different spellings and meaning is a homophone. होमोफोन का मतलब होता है ऐसे दो वर्ड्स जिनका उच्चारण सेम हो बट मीनिंग एंड स्पेलिंग्स डिफरेंट यानी अलग हो, उसे हम होमोफोन कहते हैं। यहाँ पे कम्प्लीमेंट जिसमें आई लगा है एंड दूसरा कम्प्लीमेंट जिसमें ई लगा है, ये दोनों का उच्चारण सेम है बट इनकी स्पेलिंग्स एंड मीनिंग डिफरेंट है। The first compliment, C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T, means a statement or an action that shows admiration for somebody. हिंदी में कहते हैं प्रशंसा करना या तारीफ करना. If someone says to you, I really like your dress, then they are complimenting you. In other words, they are giving you a compliment. It is used as a verb and noun. Compliment means saying something nice about someone. For example, I complimented my sister on her delicious cooking. In this sentence, complimented is used as a verb. The second example, I gave my sister a compliment on her delicious cooking. In this sentence, gave is the main verb and compliment is used as a noun. So we can say that compliment, C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T, can be used as a verb and as a noun. These compliments encourages me to work for better. Compliment. The second compliment, C-O-M-P-L-E-M-E-N-T, which means a thing that goes together well with something else. हिंदी में कहते हैं पूरक या अनुकूल. When two things go well together or complete each other, this word is often used in food and in fashion to describe matching styles or ingredients. My blue tie really complements my white shirt. Blue tie and white shirt go well together. The spelling of complete and complement are very similar. Complete does not have an I and neither should complement, which means complementing another thing or completes the other item. So, when you compliment someone or yourself, use I in the spelling of compliment. And when a thing goes well or complete the other, use E in the spelling complement. Oh wow, this earring is so beautiful. Let me find the another pair. Oh, I'm not getting it.
What happened, Beena?
I always lose my things. This rubber band is so loose, I cannot wear it. Oh my god, now what will I wear?
The second homophone is loose and loose. They sound different. One is L-O-S-E and another is L-O-O-S-E. They sound different, but their spellings are so similar that we often get confused which one to use them correctly. L-O-S-E is a verb that means to fail to win, to misplace, or to become unable to find something. Lose is a verb which means किसी वस्तु को खो देना. L-O-O-S-E is an adjective that means not tight. Opposite of loose is tight. To remember the difference between the two terms, remember that only one O distinguishes loose from loose. L-O-O-S-E जिसका मतलब होता है ढीला. L-O-S-E जिसका मतलब होता है किसी चीज या वस्तु को खो देना. So always remember the difference and use them correctly.
So friends, I hope you like the video and I'm sure that there is no more confusion. Before I wind up, I want to tell you that being aware of the differences in the context can help you avoid any mistakes. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Please do subscribe my channel and press the bell button icon. See you soon. Bye bye. Beena's Notebook.